Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And today I will show you a little tutorial, but it's really work if you have some errors on your PC on Windows 11, how to solve this on the easiest way. What I was have some error, and I will show you what is being my error on my PC. When I will go to settings, and this is the latest version that you know, you will see, go to about, you will see the latest version, sorry. As you see the build number 22623 dot 128. This is the latest build of beta or release preview Windows 11 Pro, what is really work perfect. But my problem was on first problem was Windows security update. On the first one, it was not can open. When I will go to this transom, that is not nothing, and because it's I think save something, and it was when I click here, it was blank. There is no show anything of this what you see now. That was a first problem. There is no one any kind of virus. Start action, and I choose quick scan. That I'll show you. It was the first problem, and this is nothing. And the second problem was when I go to battery here, and or go to here and battery. Now you'll see it will open. The first that was I do what I show you now. It was crash. I didn't have access to open this, so I didn't can't now I'll choose best performance. Before it was stay, I don't know, balance or where it is. Now I will choose best performance, and now as you see it's work. I can choose here. The same thing was under here when you go to battery and when you want to open here, it was the same problem. Now it will be crash. And now as you see, work fine. It's open and that what must be. Okay. And I was try everything on SSC scan now on something on registry editor, but don't do on registry editor nothing. Just what do you do? Go to Microsoft site. It's really and it will solve your problem. Go to Microsoft site and go to down now your Microsoft Media Tool on desktop and just go and open and install upgrade on your uh, Windows. Just everything you will see now later. I will not go to the end through this every part of this what I'm doing, but just uh, follow these steps. Like you install Windows, go, and everything will stay. You see what I have in settings and your programs, software, everything will stay. Just install, you see, and accept and install PC, upgrade through this your Windows what you have installed. And when you do this, I will quit now because I don't need to do that. I was do this, and when after that I was go and can open this, and what is most important on the performance here, what I really don't know why, and click power settings, and see now I will choose best performance now because I'm recording, but on the balance it will record the same. There is no any kind. So I will leave you this site on the description, and it will solve every your problem on your PC. Trust me, I was have these two, maybe some three. I don't know now. I don't remember, but not so the second. No, the second go to media creation tool and just go and choose to your files will be saved. Everything will be saved. So that's the my recommended for you if you want to solve that problem. So guys, try this and nothing costs you, and you will see it will be everything okay. And please subscribe if you're not on my channel. Thank you for watching, and write me in the comment below if it work for you or if not. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and bye.